If you want to remove forgotten PIN, password or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so there is only one way out, and it's to perform a hard reset. So in order to do that, first of all, keep in your mind that all of your data is gonna be wiped out, everything is going to be deleted. So grab your USB-C cable, plug in the second part to your computer, and this port plug right into your charging port. Great, just like this. Now locate your power button, volume down button, and volume up buttons. So let's hold our volume down button and power button all together and hold them until your screen will go dark. Great, now let's switch between volume down and volume up buttons and keep on holding your power button. Hold this construction before you will appear into your recovery menu. In our recovery menu, we can navigate using volume down and volume up buttons. Locate your power wipe data / factory reset. Press power button. Choose your factory data reset. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.